Most people fail at weight loss before they even start. They think they need a gym. They think they need machines. They think without equipment, fat loss is impossible. That belief is exactly why they stay stuck. This video is about weight loss exercises at the park, no gym, no equipment, and why this simple place might be more powerful than the gym you're avoiding. Because if you're waiting for the perfect setup, you're already losing time, and fat doesn't wait. Here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not that weight loss is hard, it's that most people are doing the wrong things in the wrong place with the wrong expectations. And I'll show you a simpler way. The problem isn't motivation, it's friction. Gyms feel intimidating, equipment feels complicated, and missing one day turns into missing months. But a park removes excuses. Walking paths, benches, open space. Your body already knows what to do there. Here's the realization most people miss. Fat loss doesn't come from fancy tools. It comes from consistent movement that raises your heart rate and uses big muscles. So here's the simple fix. At the park, focus on full body movements. Fast walking or light jogging, bench step-ups, body weight squats, incline push-ups on a bench, mountain climbers on the grass. No equipment, no confusion, just movement. Do them in short rounds, rest when needed, repeat. That's it. And here's the proof. People who stick to simple outdoor workouts are more consistent. More consistency means more calories burned, and more calories burned means fat loss actually happens. Not fast, not perfect, but real. If you feel behind, you're not. If you failed before, you're not broken. You don't need a gym to start. You just need a place and a decision. And if you're wondering why fat never leaves the areas you want, that's not random. Click the next video on screen, because this park workout works best when you understand that truth first.